Now, hey guys, I'm with. I'm with. I'm back with some more Town of Salem with Axel Control, aka Axel, and Kika Gamer 16, aka Bailey. Um, it, yes, just follow them. Um, for context, I basically made a very weird joke before I hit the record button, and yeah, this is the this is basically the aftermath. Fun. Anyway, this will be this will be released probably, I don't know, maybe Friday, Saturday, or maybe even tomorrow. I don't know. It depends. Anyway, you two ready? Oh, should I change my scores quickly? That joke does not even seem so funny. I just don't even know why I said it. Like, I thought, you know what? Let's just. That would murder you. Axel does that all. Let's begin. Oh yay! We just got the last three slots. Oh, oh yay! I've been. Oh, okay. I was. I had. I might actually record during a break tomorrow, just on my own. But I don't know. It depends. Probably not. But yeah. Oh god, that's a bad thing. Instead of using earphones, wear earplugs. Why do you want to be mafia? Yeah, why do you need a psychic? Like, okay, dude. Well, that's alright. Oh, Axel, Axel, why'd you leave the game? Oh, I read that wrong. Sorry. Wait a minute. Oh my. Oh my god, that's annoying. That is annoying. What's just happened? When you guys watch this video back, you'll have to see what I've done. That's actually angered me. Wait, Brady, you're still alive? Okay. I am SK. I'm just vibing, not killing. No. Unless this is a third SK. Oh my god, that's not my dream scenario. Oh, if me and Brady were both SK, that'd be pretty cool. I didn't kill you. Yes, like, no, actually, I'd call your time zone fake. I wouldn't call you fake. Yeah, I take it back already. You deserve to die in heck. Maybe. Wait. Up the. No, don't worry about it. Axel! Don't tell me or don't tell Bailey that. You don't need to. You don't need to read it out. It's cheating. Oh, my dude. Um, 12 got killed, right? By Medusa. Or 15, sorry. Well, that's Medusa and SK Dad. Because it came for Medusa on the side for me. You can check by the recording if you don't believe me. Oh, okay. Oh. There are GAs, yes. So I'm going to send us both SKs down. Could be. Gas confirmed. Oh. James Bailey has left the game. Oh no. Nope. Yes. Purple Knight left the game. Wasn't Purple Knight the psychic? Wasn't Purple Knight the psychic? Oh, fair enough. Doctor, 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 doctor. Thank you, Axel. Note to self not to record with you ever again. What is that? Fanfiction of what? You know what? Just for the memes, why not? Yeah, we are. Wait, was it jailer? Bruh, I didn't know. I didn't see that. No, jailer came out day one. Moo. Moo. Kanye West. Kanye West was? Jailer. Wow. So vote 6 off, right? Oof. So to his GA. I am sorry. I don't believe that's. Whoa! Okay, this game went very quick. This game, that was so tarnished and fast. Oh no. What, the tarnation? But the tarnation settings are amazing. Rude. Imagine hitting my PG settings. Typical. I'm always PG. But I'm not cheating, Axel, because this is Bailey. Bailey's too. That's legit. No. Oh my god. Bailey's my GA. I'm Green Love. I call myself Green to throw you off my name. Not necessarily. I could be anyone. I was shot by a vigilante. I'm dead. GG. Yay! Mafioso plus GA win. Wow. Mafia didn't do anything, actually. I won this on my own. I won this on my back. Well, no, there was three. Vet Bait was Hypnotist, but he was stoned, obviously. Yeah, so technically, I had to run this on my back. GG. Oh, shush, Axel. Stop the saltiness from your end of the room. Even though you're not in the same room as me and in the same country, but you get my point. Wow. Well, you know what? Here's these amazing people. Obviously, I wanted to get out. See, I was for a job, obviously, you know. Alright. I'll look at that in a minute. But anyway, thanks, guys, for watching this. Another great game with these two amazing people. Rule 11. Anyway, I will upload this game probably within the next day or three, who knows. But anyway, like, subscribe to Kika Gamer 16 and follow Slayer of the World on Twitch. He's amazing. He does some very good games. You should definitely go check him out. But yeah, till then, till next time, do you two want to say goodbye? And peace.